Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm clearly not unboxing anything. Today I'm taking an opportunity to celebrate 25 years in this industry by highlighting some of the most iconic pieces that I've come across in my time in this industry. And today it's a McIntosh MA7200 Integrated Amplifier. One of the reasons that I'm talking about this McIntosh amplifier is in my day I grew up with an understanding of integrated amplifiers being a compromised circuit. The challenge was to try and find the budget and the rack space and the interconnects and all of those types of things to go pre-power. But let's be honest, in the relatively modest world that most of us dabble in, a pre-power combination can be bettered by a perfect integrated amplifier like this McIntosh. And it's highlighted, and why I'm talking about it today is just how good some integrated amplifiers can sound. McIntosh have been doing hi-fi for 75 years. They have based their integrated amplifiers on some of their pre-amplification and some of their power amplification hybrided into one box. With a measurably low noise floor in their preamps and output stages in their power amps, the combination means that if you were to compare the likely recommended retail from some of the big pre-power combinations of the domestic brands you might be familiar with, you're virtually there in the price and quality of a McIntosh. They're brilliant. They're utterly perfect. They claim, if this one claims 200 watts, it will clip at 400. And its total harmonic distortion is measured a moment before it clips. So kind of like sitting in the Rolls Royce as the salesman tells you that, listen, as it idles, all you can hear is the ticking of the clock. Well, imagine redlining that same car and still all you can hear is the ticking of its clock, and that is how immeasurably low the noise floor is of this amplifier. It means the dynamics in the headroom surpasses so many in its category. It's not cheap, don't get me wrong, it is not cheap, but it is worth every single cent. It's why I'm so enamored with it. It's why you can hear the passion in my voice as far as how perfect this integrated amplifier is for its price. It's a McIntosh, it's iconic in its design and its build, but most importantly it's perfect at its job, and it's worth celebrating as I celebrate my 25 years in this industry, here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.